If there is one dish that must never fail on Christmas Day in a Nigerian home, it is this rich flavor-packed Nigerian tomato stew. This Christmas version is special, deep red, aromatic, and it is perfect for your yam, spaghetti, and rice. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make Nigerian tomato stew with less oil. So this is gonna be a large amount of tomato stew, which means you're gonna be needing a large quantity of chicken. Go ahead and add your chicken to a large pot. Then season the chicken pieces with some chopped onions, crushed Scotch bonnet pepper, salt, thyme, curry, garlic powder, grated ginger, chicken bouillon cubes, chicken flavor, and finally add a little amount of water to the chicken to extract a rich and flavorful broth. Mix this a bit and then cover and bring to a boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the chicken is properly cooked and tender. Drain the chicken from the broth and set aside. At this point, you can grill your chicken to cut down on some of the oil. But I will be frying mine for that bold Christmas color. So add enough oil to your pan and leave it to heat up. Go in with a few slices of onion and then follow with your cooked chicken. Fry the chicken on one side for about 6 minutes until golden brown. Flip over to the other side and fry for about 4 to 5 minutes until you have them all brown. Once your chicken is beautifully golden brown just like this, drain them from the oil and set aside. You can repeat this with the next batch of chicken. Next, place one of the largest pots you have in your house on the stovetop. Pour about half of the oil you used for frying your chicken into the pot. Add in 2 cups of sliced onions and grated ginger. Stir the aromatic for about 3 minutes to build a stronger flavor for your stew. After that, go in with your tomato paste. If you like to see me make Nigerian stew with just fresh tomatoes, drop your comments down below. After adding the tomato paste, I will also go in with 7 liters of fresh tomato. This is really a large portion of stew. Now begin to stir the tomatoes to mix together. Since we are using less oil for this tomato stew, it is important to stand close by and make sure to give the stew a stir from time to time to prevent your stew from burning at the bottom. Basically, this is just a simple process. Just keep stirring the tomatoes. So I have been doing this for 25 minutes. You can see the color of the tomato has changed and has become much deeper. This shows that the tomato is well cooked and is not longer sour. So once you're sure your tomato is well fried, so I'll be adding in some chicken stock cubes, Scotch bonnet, curry powder, thyme, garlic powder, more sliced onions, and salt. Give this a stir to make sure everything is well incorporated. Next, add in your rich chicken broth you got from boiling your chicken, and then give that a stir to combine. Obviously, the stew appears really thick, so you would like to go in with plain water. Just add an equal amount of plain water to adjust the consistency. Stir well, place a lid over and simmer the stew on medium heat for 20 minutes while stirring intermittently. You can come back to your stew, stir this a little bit and test. Make sure to adjust any needed seasoning. Once you're satisfied with the taste and the consistency of your tomato stew, bring in your grilled or fried chicken. Stir everything to combine well, then place the lid over. Again, let it simmer for 8 minutes. You want all your chicken pieces to absorb the rich and flavorful aroma. Guys, you can see how easy it is to make Nigerian tomato stew with less oil. This method gives your stew a thick and rich consistency, and it still provides that tasty and flavorful aroma you get from your regular stew that uses much oil. I hope you like this method. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful Christmas celebration ahead. Bye!